To make packaged ramen in the microwave, open the package and remove the noodles. Place them in a microwave-safe bowl and cover them with 1 to 2 cups, 237 to 473 milliliters of water. Then put the bowl in the microwave and cook the noodles for 3 to 5 minutes. Test the noodles to make sure they're as soft as you like. If not, put them back in the microwave for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, then check them again. Once the noodles are cooked, let them sit and cool down for about 3 minutes before taking the bowl out of the microwave. Be careful handling the bowl, it might be very hot. Use oven mitts to protect your hands from burns. Next, open the flavor packet and stir it into the ramen with a spoon or a fork until it's thoroughly mixed in. Some ramen packets also come with a packet of dried vegetable flakes. If you have a flake packet, stir that in too. Enjoy your quick and easy microwave ramen as is, or make it even tastier by adding your own ingredients, such as a hard-boiled egg, fresh vegetables, or your favorite sauces and spices.